Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today, our topic is historical monuments in Delhi. So many historical monuments are there in Delhi. Those monument speciality, today's class, I will explain. First, historical background of Delhi. This Delhi city was founded by Anangapal Tomar. He founded this city on the memory of Raja Dilu in 1052 AD. This person was an ancient king. On the memory of this person, this Anangapal Tomar founded Delhi city. Delhi other names are Indraprastha and Astinapura. This city is located on the banks of Yamuna river. Our country's biggest tributary and the main tributary of Ganga is Yamuna river. On the banks of this river, Delhi city is located. Actually, we have to understand the difference between Delhi and New Delhi. Delhi means National Capital Territory. Very olden days onwards it is existed. But New Delhi, it was founded just in 20th century. New Delhi was founded by George V. At the time he was Emperor of India. On December 12th, 1911, he announced New Delhi is the capital of India. That's why our capital was changed from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. It is also important. Next, another point to remember, from 1911 to 1931, slowly one by one shifted. Our administrative officers were shifted to Delhi. But Supreme Court, remember, Supreme Court was shifted in 1935. Supreme Court designer is Ganesh Bikaji Dio Lalakar. New Delhi designer is Edwin Lutyens. Edwin Lutyens. This person designed so many monuments in Delhi and also he is the designer or architect of New Delhi city. Whenever states were formed in our country on linguistic basis, it means in 1956 through 7th Amendment Act, at the time some union territories were also established. Total 6 union territories were formed in 1956. In those 6 union territories, Delhi was also an union territory. After that, Delhi is changed into National Capital Territory. National Capital Territory means also union territory, but our national capital is located in New Delhi. That's why we are called or we are calling Delhi is National Capital Territory. Delhi Union Territory or National Capital Territory got state rank on February 1st, 1992. Our constitution was amended this purpose according to 69th Amendment Act in 1991. Delhi got state rank. It means Delhi has an assembly. Delhi is ruled by chief minister. Other states have ruled chief minister. Same Delhi is also ruled by chief minister. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Islands has no chief minister, but Delhi has chief minister, assembly. Delhi government can develop its own. Next, so many historical monuments are located in Delhi. Those monuments we have to discuss one by one. First, number one, Qutub Minar. It is the highest or tallest pillar in India. That pillar is located in Mohali. This monument was constructed by two persons. First, Delhi Sultan Qutbuddin Aibak started this construction on the memory of his guru. That person is Sheikh Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Second, who Sufi saint came to India, but his son-in-law completed the construction of Qutub Minar. It is located in Alai Fort, Mehrali, Delhi. Second monument is Iron Pillar. Basically, Iron Pillar was founded by Chandragupta, Vikramaditya or Chandragupta II. The person first established in Udaygiri. After that, it was shifted to Delhi by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. What is the speciality of this iron pillar? This iron pillar is not rusted so far. Present, it is located in Alai Fort. Mehrali, Delhi. Third one is Quwwatul Islam. Quwwatul Islam is the first masjid constructed in our country according to Indo-Islamic style. So it was constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak. Quwwatul Islam. Next, number fourth one is Alai Darwaja. Alai Darwaja is the entrance of Alai Fort. It was constructed by Alauddin Khilji, one of the greatest Delhi sultans in India. Alauddin Khilji, that person constructed Alai Darwaja. Alai Fort, it was also constructed by Alauddin Khilji. All these above four monuments are located in Alai Fort. Next, Siri Town and Siri Fort. These both, Siri Town is located in Delhi. Siri Fort is located in Siri Town. These two were constructed by Siri Town was founded by Alauddin Khilji. Siri Fort was also constructed by Alauddin Khilji. Next, Firoz Shah Kotla. This fort was constructed by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Next, eighth one, Humayun Tomb. Humayun Tomb is very famous in our country. First marble construction in India. It was constructed by Akbar, but that construction work totally is observed by Humayun's sister Gulbadan Begum. This monument is the first marble monument in our country. Taj Mahal is also constructed according to this Humayun tomb. That's why Taj Mahal is the replica of Humayun tomb. Before Taj Mahal, Humayun tomb was constructed. That's why it is the first marble construction in India. Next, Purana Killa. Purana Killa is also located in Delhi. It was constructed by Sher Shah Sur. Our greatest Afghan ruler in our country is Sher Shah. That person constructed Purana Killa. Next, Red Fort. Red Fort is the biggest fort in India. This fort was constructed by Shah Jahan, and Shah Jahan shifted capital from Agra to Delhi 1639. He shifted capital from Agra to Delhi. In this Red Fort, one famous masjid is located. That masjid is Moti Masjid. Moti Masjid in Delhi was constructed by Aurangzeb, not Shah Jahan, but Moti Masjid in Agra was constructed by Shah Jahan. Jama Masjid, India's biggest masjid. This masjid was also constructed by Shah Jahan. It is second biggest masjid in the world. After Grand Masjid Makkah, maximum people sit and also do namaz in the Jama Masjid. India's biggest, world's second biggest masjid, that is Jama Masjid, located in Delhi. Next, Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar, also an historical monument constructed by Raja Jai Singh II in 1724. He constructed this type of observatories in India. One observatory is located in Delhi. At the time identifying purpose, distance between sun and earth identification purpose, because this Jantar Mantar was constructed by Raja Jai Singh II in 1724. Next, Rashtrapati Bhavan, very famous building in our country, Rashtrapati Bhavan. This building more than 20 years time has taken to construct. It was designed by Edwin Lutyens. This work was completed in 1929, but first Viceroy entered to this building in 1931. That person is Lord Irwin. First Viceroy stayed in Rashtrapati Bhavan is Lord Irwin, 1931. It has 340 rooms. It is the biggest palace in our country, second biggest president palace in the world after Italy President's Palace, that is Quirinal Palace. That is the biggest President's Palace in the world, but second biggest President's Palace is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next monument is Parliament. Parliament was constructed during Britishers period. This monument or this building was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. Actually, at the time it was called Indian Legislative Council. After independence, we changed its name, Parliament. This Parliament is also one biggest building in our country. But present government of India is constructing new parliament. That parliament, it means that new parliament is designed by Bimal Patel. It is constructing with the expenditure of 866 crores. India Gate. This structure was also designed by Edwin Lutyens. It was constructed during Britishers' time. This structure was constructed on the memory of some soldiers. Those soldiers who died during First World War period. That purpose, this monument was constructed. That is India Gate. Teen Murti Bhavan. It was the residence of Jawaharlal Nehru. Indira Gandhi also stayed. Indira Gandhi was murdered in front of this Teen Murti Bhavan. This Bhavan is present museum. Why it is called Teen Murti? Three statues are there in front of this building. That's why it is called Teen Murti Bhavan. Next one, Lodi tomb. It means Sikandar Lodi's tomb. It is located in Lodha Gardens in Delhi. One famous Lodi ruler, he founded Agra city. That person's tomb is located in Delhi. That is called Lodi tomb. Lotus Temple. It is modern monument. This was constructed in our country. Actually, it is the replica of Opera House Sydney. How Opera House is there, same structure. It is related to Baha'i religion. Baha'i religion. That is Lotus Temple. And famous personalities' tombs also located in Delhi on the banks of Yamuna River. They are Mahatma Gandhi's tomb is Rajghat. Jawaharlal Nehru tomb is Shantivan. Indira Gandhi's tomb is Shaktisthal. Rajiv Gandhi Veerabhumi. Lal Bahadur Shastri Vijay Ghat. Jnani Jail Singh Ekta Sthal. Babu Jagjivan Ram Samata Sthal. Chaudhary Charan Singh Kisan Ghat. Muraji Desai Abhay Ghat. Chaitra Bhumi Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Like so many famous personality tombs are located on the banks of Yamuna River in Delhi. Last one, Akshardhaman Temple. It is modern temple. It was constructed recent years. This temple is the biggest modern temples in our country. Biggest ancient temple is Brudishwara Temple, located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. But biggest modern temple is Akshardhaman Temple. This temple was constructed by Swami Narayan Trust. This temple was constructed without steel, without cement, without sand. It was constructed only with stones. Interlocking system used. Whenever this temple was constructed time, they used interlocking system. All these are the main monuments are located in Delhi. Thank you.